In the given circuit diagram, the energy stored in the capacitor is. In the given circuit diagram, they are asking us to calculate the total energy stored by this capacitor. So as you can see, the charges are coming from this plus 8 volt potential. After reaching this junction, they will split into two parts. Some of the charges will get stored on this capacitor and remaining charges will pass through this branch. Once the capacitor gets fully charged, all the charges which were coming from this side after reaching this junction will pass through that branch. No other charges will pass through this capacitor. Energy stored in the capacitor is given by this formula, that is U is equal to half CV square, where C is the capacitance of this capacitor and V is the potential drop across this capacitor. So by somehow, if we calculate that potential drop, then we will be able to calculate the total energy stored in this capacitor. So let us find out that potential drop. Assume that current I is flowing from this branch in this direction. So this must be high potential and then this must be low potential. So if you apply Kirchhoff voltage rule from here to that branch, we will get plus 8 volt. We are going from high to low potential, so there will be a drop across this resistor. That drop can be written as resistance value is 4 and the current value is I, so resistance into current, that is drop. And then we are going to this branch, plus to minus, again there is a drop across this resistor. Since all the current is going to this branch, so the drop across that 1 ohm resistance is 1 into current value is I is equal to, we are having this plus 3 volt. So if you simplify this equation, you will get I is equal to 1 ampere. It means the potential drop across this 4 ohm resistors is 4 into this current, that is 1 ampere. If you multiply these two, you will get 4 volt. Out of this 8 volt, the drop across this is 4 volt. So let us subtract that drop. Now remaining is 4 volt. That 4 volt is the potential of this point P. Now if you go to this branch, since there is no current flowing through this branch, the drop across this resistance will be 0. So if the potential of this point is 4 volt, then the potential of this point will also be 4 volt. So we can say the potential of this plate is 4 volt. And this symbol represents ground. Ground means generally we take potential of the ground as 0 volt. So if the potential here is 0 volt, then the potential of this plate will also be 0 volt. So we have got the potential difference across these two plates. That is 4 minus 0 is 4 volt. So plug in that value over here, you will get energy stored by that capacitor as half into C value is 3 microfarad. 3 micro means 10 raised to minus 6 into potential difference, that is 4 volt, square of that. So if you simplify this, you will get U is equal to 24 microjoule. So the energy stored by the capacitor is 24 microjoule.